guide says that this is the best spot to take the picture because you can see the pyramid shape from here. Because when you come in from the one face of the pyramid. From one face, if you take the picture from down below, it looks like a wall. But from the corner, you can really see the pyramid shape. And that's why this corner is the best place to take the picture.